Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Offerup account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Offerup app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now once you are here, you need to get signed in into your account, which will redirect you to this interface. So now as you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this account section where you need to tap on account settings. After you tap on account settings, you will be redirected to this page. So simply scroll down below where you can find an option called privacy settings. So once you have found the privacy settings option, right besides it you can find an edit option as well. So simply tap on that particular edit option. After you do this, you will be redirected to this interface where you can find an option account deletion. Simply tap on it and follow the on-screen prompts directed to delete or deactivate your Offerup account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.